Harvesting onions to make space for other items. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today we're gonna harvest some onions from the garden to make space for other items that we're gonna transplant into that space. We're gonna transplant water leaf into that space. As you can see, the onions have folded like that. Once the heads are bent like that, you know they are ready to be harvested. So we're gonna harvest it today and be able to use that space to grow water leaf for the next 2 months or so for growing season. So we're gonna harvest the water leaf in this area right now. All you need to do is just pull it from the ground and be able to put it aside, let it dry and cure before you use it. That's fine. You can use some of it right now. So let's start pulling some of it from the garden and let's start harvesting them right now. So as you can see, I'm just pulling it from sometimes it's very easy to pull since most of the body of the onions is already out. It's easy to just pull it from the ground and it comes out like that. If it's too difficult to come out, then the soil might be dry or it might be too deep into the ground, but usually you can just pull it out like that. These ones are not as big as the ones of last year, but at least we still got some onions from this. Let me know in the comments below if you already harvested your onions and if you had a good harvest this year. Let me know in the comments below. Also, I have some other videos on how to grow onions and other things, how to plant and grow onions. Check out the description below. I'll put a link to some of the other videos that I've made, harvesting videos and the ones from last year. So like I said before, the space that we have here, we're gonna use it for water leaf. We're gonna transplant some of the water leaves that we have in other beds that are too choked up, like over here. We're gonna transplant it to this bed, and that will give the plant more space, and they're gonna do much better. So this year I just dedicated just half of the bed to plant onions. So I knew we were not gonna get a lot of onions because we planted just half a bed as opposed to last year where we planted the full bed of onions. So this year we had half a bed of onions and half of garlic. We harvested the garlic already, so the onion was the last thing that we need to pull out to be able to plant. So this is what we got right now. You can see that's not bad for half a bed of onions. So we're gonna be able to at least use that for this year. So usually what we do is just put it somewhere where there's not a lot of sun, but warm and dry, and just let it dry out a little bit before you bring it inside. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.